Let P be a point on the circle circumscribing square ABCD that satisfies PA times PC equals 56 and PB times PD equals 90. Find the area of ABCD. I'm going to start with drawing a nice figure. So let this be a circle and let this be a square. Maybe I should draw a better square. No, maybe this one. Oh, much better. So let's call this A, B, C, and D. And let's assume that P is here. Let me draw PA, PD, PC, and PB. Next, I would like to draw the diagonals of the square. So the diagonals meet at the center. Let's call this point the center O. Okay, next, let this be alpha, this angle be alpha, and this angle be 45 minus alpha. So it's very easy to see that this angle is 45 minus alpha because ACB is 45 degrees. All right, so I would like to just focus on this triangle APC. First of all, the angle P is 90 degrees because AC is a diameter and P is a circumscribed angle facing a diameter, so it has to be 90 degrees. And then APC is a right triangle. If the radius of the circle is R, then AP is 2R times sine alpha. And PC is 2R times cosine alpha. And then let's use the first equation. So the first equation then can be written as 2R sine alpha times 2R cosine alpha equals 56. And then from the double angle formula, after we cancel 2, use the double angle formula, we obtain R squared sine 2 alpha equals 28. Right. Let's do the same trick, but now let's use a different triangle. So from the circumscribed angles, this angle is facing this arc here, so is this angle. So this has to be 45 minus alpha, and in this triangle, this orange triangle or triangle BPD, we have the angle P is 90 degrees because it's a circumscribed angle facing diameter. And then this part is 2R sine 45 minus alpha. And PD is 2R cosine 45 minus alpha. Okay. Now, this equation can be written as, so let's write it here, 2R sine 45 minus alpha, 2R cosine 45 minus alpha equals 90. And after canceling 2's and using the double angle formula, we obtain R squared sine 90 minus 2 alpha equals 45. This is cosine 2 alpha, right? So this is the last equation is R squared cosine 2 alpha equals 45. Right. Next, if I just square those two identities and add them up, I obtain R to the 4 equals 28 squared plus 45 squared. And this is indeed 53 squared. And this gives me that r squared equals 53. And finally, we want to find the area of the square. And the area is r root 2 quantity squared, which is 2r squared. And this is 2 times 53. It's 106. And 106 is our answer.